Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Wellpers TV. As you can see, we're already on a website called Supportive. All right, today we're going to be exploring the job posting on this website. I will show you the job posting. I will also walk you through the application process. Are you ready for this? Share this video with your family and friends. Turn on your bell notification for more interesting video like this, and do not forget to subscribe to Wildpost TV. All right, sit tight. Let's enjoy this ride together. Posting will be on the comment section and in the description box. Okay, so that when you click on the link, it brings you directly to the job posting and to this website. Right now, we're gonna head down to where they have the job career posting. Right here you can see about us, or right here you can see career. Either way, you can go through here or here. All right, and you click on the careers and it opens up to open positions at Supportive. I mean, feel free to explore this website. If you're someone who is interested in analytics manager, BI product owner, you can take a look at this. If you are someone in the engineering sector, they are looking for head of engineering as a director. You can explore this. And right here is AI data scientist. If this interests you in any ways, feel free to look at it. But today on this video, we're looking at the peer support moderator, okay? And we're gonna be clicking opening on this, and here we are. Peer support moderator, part-time contractor, United States or global, okay? I've had a lot of people ask me, oh, Tina, it's always in the United States. Brothers and sisters, listen. Even when you see United States, do not let that deter you. Wherever your location is, provided it shows global, I'll strongly encourage you to apply. Okay. When they say remote is something you can do from the comfort of your home, go ahead and give it a shot. And today you are looking at this. This shows global. Okay. Global mean whether you're in United States or not in United States, you can participate in this. This is a contractor. Contractor means you are self-employed. You are your own boss, okay? And it says part-time. If you're living in United States, being a contractor means you're not getting any W-2. You are getting 1099, all right? And if you guys need more explanations or clarification on what's the difference between 1099 and W2, I can make a video on that. All right, and this is the job posting. It says, are you passionate about supporting others through their life struggles? Do you currently have, or have you ever had a background in psychology, counseling, coaching, or emotional wellness training? Have others in your life shared that you're easy to talk to, warm, and a good listener? Do you enjoy communicating with others via text or chat? So, in other words, if you like texting and chatting, this job right here might be for you. If you are someone who's easy to talk to, this job might be for you. If you're a warm person and you're a good listener, this job right here might be the answer to your questions, all right? And they said, if so, we welcome you to apply for the peer support moderator roles, okay? And supportive peer support moderators guide, facilitate, and safeguard our 247 peer-to-peer small group chat. All right. And they said this position is a part-time contractor role, which does not include employee status or benefit. Right. So if you're on any employment that says contractor, you are self-employed and no employer is going to pay your benefit. Okay. So what it means, you are not on the company's payroll. The company doesn't pay your taxes. You are responsible for yourself and you do not get benefits as well. You only get paid the compensation, all right? And they said the role is 100% online, fully remote, work from home. This tells you you can work from the comfort of your home. You can be on vacation and be doing this, guys. All you need is your laptop and internet connection. All right. And then say moderators designate their own flexible hours, which is right. Moderators may be eligible for incentives based on time commitment and work performance. All right. And they say all global time zones are welcome. In other words, if you're in Africa, give this a shot. If you're in Asia, in wherever, Middle East, in Canada, USA, wherever you are, they said you are welcome to apply. Look at that, guys. The compensation is $15.50 per hour. Okay? $15.50 per hour. All right? And they say global varies per standard country wages. Who are they seeking for? They seek candidates with passion for emotional health and wellness, capacity to provide judgment free support on a wide range of topics, strong interpersonal communication skills such as active listening, validation, empathy, open ended questioning, and group facilitation. Ability to self edit, advise, giving or armchair therapy, and follow protocols. And it says openness to learning new skills, participating in ongoing training, and taking feedbacks towards continuous professional improvement. Eagerness to think about experiences through chat participants' perspective. And they said willingness to offer suggestions on how to improve moderator and chat participant experience. If any of these skills relates to you, nothing is holding you back. Go ahead and apply for this job. The requirement for this job, you must be 18 years and above. That's first requirement. If you're up to 18 years, this job right here is waiting for you if you're someone who's been exploring opportunities in this area. You must be able to write and you must be verbal fluent in English. So written and verbal fluency in English is a must. Okay. Strong reading comprehension skills. You tech savviness and strong internet connection. Of course, you can't do this without internet connection. And there's a minimum commitment of 5 hours of moderating per week. So this is the minimum of 5 hours per week. All right. Completion of a thorough qualification assessment. They will assess you online and approximately 6 hours at your own pace and assisted by provided lesson. You are gonna be trained and they will be providing you lessons because they need to assess you. And they say completion of extended paid training. And to apply for this job, you just wanna click either here or please apply through this external link. So it's either you click on this external link or right here. Either one takes you to the application page and we'll click right now. So that brings us to this application page. And in order to apply, you just click on apply for this job and look at it. It's as simple as it can be. First name, last name, email address, your phone number, address, city, state, zip code, country, and then you want to choose your resume here. Date available, you put it here. The earliest date you are available to work. And here they ask you highest education obtained. You can choose whatever works for you, whatever your situation is. If you have up to master's degree, bachelor's degree, and you want to put the college, the university name, who referred you for this position? Okay, it's optional. Of course, well, poor Stevie. On average, how many hours per week do you plan to moderate? You can choose what works for you. Are you comfortable moderating topics such as, people who talk about self-harm, suicide, sexual assault, and all of that? They will provide you the training. They will let you know what to do in every situation. All right. Will you regularly moderate during weekends? Can you do weekends? Friday 4 p.m. to Sunday 4 a.m. Pacific time zone. You want to click yes or no. Will you be able to do Thanksgiving, Christmas? That's the holidays. How strong are your written English? Below average, excellent. What is your typing speed? What is your reading speed? You want to answer those questions. Do you have a working computer or tablet with fast internet speed? Of course, you want to say yes. Otherwise, what are we going to work with? Please tell us why you would like to become one. You want to say something that you are a warm person to talk to, or you're a good listener, and you have passion to help people, of course. And then they say, what relevant education? If you have volunteered, you have experience where people are depressed and you help them go through it. Those are all experience. Do not forget, these little things matter. If you don't put them down, that means it doesn't happen or it has never happened. All right. So capture those little moments. Then, they want to ask, please describe the concept of active listening in 3 to 5 sentences. You want to put them here. What does active listening mean to you? What is your view on conflict and disagreement? Okay. And then you want to put it as per your opinion. A friend going through a difficult time texts you, life has been hard. I just can't do this anymore. Please briefly describe how you'd respond to this friend. Come on, now this is what we go through every day, and you know how we encourage and support one another. You just want to put 1 or 2 sentences there. What your response will be to a friend in such situation. And here they ask, you are chatting with 3 people who are all going through relationship breakup. Please write 3 to 5 sentences describing how you would like to unite them to support each other. Here, please write 3 to 5 sentences describing how you can neutrally support someone without giving them your advice. And then, are there any topics that you would not feel comfortable discussing with supportive users as a moderator? If you know you have some boundary that is a no, I can't do that, kindly put them here. And here, guys, submit application. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful in any ways, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content about remote jobs and all things work from home. Drop them in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, stay fabulous and a happy job in exploration.